Krishna. Thank you all for joining us, and I hope that you all read Bhagavad Gita as it is every single day, because by reading Bhagavad Gita, you can change your life forever. We go through great difficulties, so much stress throughout our lives, but by taking the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita every day in your lives. Hare Krishna to you. Sumangal Prasad Gupta Prabhu has joined us live, and it is my greatest honor. I think you guys can tell that I am super excited to be sharing this knowledge with each and every one of you. So today we will be reading from chapter 9, text 26, and the words and this knowledge is so simple. It is so easy to understand. So grab your Bhagavad Gitas and open it to 9th chapter, text 26. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati tadaham bhakti upahritam ashnami prayatatmanaha. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati tad aham bhaktyupahritam ashnami prayatatmanaha. Patram pushpam phalam toyam. If one offers me, Bhagavan ko aap पूछते हैं. So many of you have been asking, what can we offer to God? भगवान को हम क्या दे सकते हैं? तो यहाँ पे ठाकुर जी वो बता रहे हैं कि उन्हें आप क्या दे सकते हैं. If one offers me a leaf, patra means a leaf, pushpa means flowers, toyam means water. So you can offer a leaf, a flower, fruit, phal, or water. I will accept it. आप ठाकुर जी को कुछ भी दे सकते हैं, but the most important thing that you have to give him, ashnami prayatat manaha, with love is the secret. Yo me bhaktya prayachati. If one offers me with love and devotion, हमें प्रेम से प्यार से भगवान को जो भी हम देते हैं वो उसे ग्रहण करते हैं. So thank you all for joining us live. Yes, you can. Your questions are coming in, and I know that you would like to also learn these verses, the shlokas of Bhagavad Gita. आप सीख सकते हैं. हर रोज गीता पढ़ने से आप भगवद गीता का ज्ञान ले सकते हैं, और ये बहुत सुंदर दिव्य ज्ञान भगवान ने in the 9th chapter he has given us this knowledge. We have Sharwinsha Shashi Taran, Haribol to you. Jagad Bandhu, Hare Krishna to you. Shankar Bendi, Giri, Hare Krishna to you. We have Sumit Chatterjee. I hope that Krishna showers his blessings upon you, especially today to Sumit Chatterjee and Pooja Vibha. Haribol, Hare Krishna to you. We have Sushil Kumar Shukla. Hare Krishna. तो आप सभी अपने भगवद गीता लेकर आप हमारे साथ भगवद गीता आप सभी पढ़ सकते हैं. And how many of you are reading Bhagavad Gita every day? यदि आप भगवद गीता हर रोज पढ़ते हैं तो definitely comment yes. One who is promoted to the higher planetary systems enjoys a longer duration of life and better facilitates for sense enjoyment, yet no one is allowed to stay there forever. तो सभी जितने भी जीव हैं वो सभी सुख पाना चाहते हैं. Raise your hand if you're looking for happiness in your life every single day. तो वो जो सुख है वो कैसे प्राप्त हो सकता है? ना एक दिन न 2 दिन पर पूरे अनंत कोटि अमर सुख जो प्राप्त, अमर आनंद जो सदैव आनंद रहना चाहता है, सदानंद. One who wants to achieve happiness forever. One is again sent back to मृत्यु लोका. We are sent back. हम इस मृत्यु लोक में वापस पहुंच जाते हैं. Because जब आपने कुछ अच्छा कर्म किया, उस कर्म का फल जब खत्म हो जाता है, तो जब आपको स्वर्ग में उस आनंद को बिताने के लिए आपको भेज दिया, पर उसके कर्म, बुरे कर्म जब शुरू हो जाते, जब आपके अच्छे कर्म के फल खत्म हो जाते, कहाँ वापस आप चले जाते? You go back to मृत्यु लोक, you go back to the earth planet. But the only way for us to stay in the heavenly abode is to offer love and devotion. जो बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति है, the intelligent person, it is essential to be in Krishna consciousness. भगवान के दिव्य सेवा में रहना, ये हमारा अनमोल रत्न हमें दिया हुआ है. This is the greatest gift if you want to achieve permanent happiness, permanent eternal happiness. The process जो गरीब में से गरीब या अमीर में से अमीर व्यक्ति को भी ये मौका मिल सकता है. He can also achieve this simply by what? Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada here. Srila Prabhupada is telling us, please call Haribol Prabhuji, if you're watching, please call Kishori. She's trying to get a hold of you. I just got her call on this phone. So if you're still watching, please give her a call. All right, the process is so easy that even a leaf. All right, sorry about that. We got a little phone call in the middle there. So here Srila Prabhupada is telling us the only qualification required in this connection is to be a pure devotee of the Lord. अगर आपको सच्चा भक्त बनना है ठाकुर जी के, प्रभु के, भगवान के चरण में, उनके चरण कमलों के सच्चा भक्त यदि आपने बनना है, तो बड़े ध्यान से आप सुनेंगे. The process of achieving such a marvelous result. How can we achieve complete success in our lives? You want to be successful, but you just don't know how to be successful. So if you listen carefully and share this message with everyone you meet, all right? Go ahead, hit that share button just at the bottom of your screens. There is a share button. The process is so easy. You just need a connection. Yogakshema Vahamyaham, Yogakshema Vahamyaham, Patram Pushpam Phalam Toyam, Yo me bhaktya prayachati Tadaham bhaktupahritam Ashnami prayatatmanaha. If one offers me with love and devotion a leaf, a flower, fruit, or water, I will accept it. The process is so easy that even a leaf or a little water or a fruit can be offered to the Supreme Lord in genuine love, and the Lord will accept. He will be very pleased to accept it. No one, therefore, can be barred from Krishna consciousness because it is so easy and it is universal. Who is such a fool? Prabhupada says to us here, who is such a fool that he does not want to be Krishna conscious by this simple method? Do you want to be Krishna conscious? I know you want to be Krishna conscious, so if you do want to be Krishna conscious, you can follow this most simple method to please the Lord. To please the Lord, you simply have to offer loving devotional service. Krishna here is telling us that by offering loving devotional service, no one is barred from Krishna consciousness. So we have Manohar Singh Ji, we are doing wonderful. Ravi Saxena, Hare Krishna to you. Kishore Sil, Hare Krishna to you. So please do read Bhagavad Gita every single day. Krishna consciousness is the highest perfection. And Krishna tells us, Ananyas chintayanto mam ye jana paryupasate tesham nitya bhiyuktanam yogakshema vahamyaham. So the most beautiful bhajan, the most beautiful prayer that is offered by Bhaktivinoda Thakur to the Lord, and we will be singing this beautiful bhajan that is sung, that how can we offer everything to our, yes, if you want to become a part of Krishna's family. Sunita ji has sent in this message. I would like to become a part of Krishna's family. Agar aap Bhagavan ke parivar ke saath jodna chahte hain, then all that you need to do is you need to accept everything that Krishna has given us. Krishna has given us unlimited wealth. He has given us unlimited happiness. But so many times we do not accept it. तो यदि आपको स्वीकार करना है भगवान का प्रेम जो आपके प्रति है, if you would like, Sunita Gupta, Hare Krishna to you, sweetheart. So if you would like to accept the unlimited blessings of the Lord, then what you have to do is simply offer your love to Him. Krishna is waiting for each and every one of us because He created the material world and the living entities because He wanted us to come back to Him. The only reason that we were created was to serve Him, was to give service to the Lord. So by giving service, we can be completely connected to Him. How can you be connected? So we're going to do a small exercise, and I want you guys all to repeat after me. Krishna, 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 Krishna है. सभी प्रेम से दोनों हाथ उठा करके सभी बोलेंगे कृष्णा 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 Krishna hai. By praying to the Lord, any difficulty that you may experience in your lives will go far, far away. Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Rakshamam. Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Rakshamam. Krishna Keshava, Krishna Keshava, Krishna Keshava Pahimam. Sarvasva tomar charane sapiya. Porechi tomar ghare. Sarvasva tomar charane sapiya. Porechi tomar ghare. Tumi to Thakur tomar kukur, Baliya jana hamore. I am offering everything that I have, और भगवान हमसे अधिक चीजें मांगते नहीं हैं. आप प्रेम से जो भी उनको दोगे, वो उसे स्वीकार करेंगे. Krishna accepts whatever we offer to him with love and devotion. So that is the secret. Dinesh Pavanji, Hare Krishna to you. Vrindavan Dham Apara Japija. Radhe Radhe. Kaushal Kumar, Hare Krishna to you. Alak Acharya Ji, sending out tons and tons of blessings, sending out so much unlimited love to you. May you have the most successful life in the love of the Supreme Lord. And we have Sangeeta Motupali, Hare Krishna to you. Sujata Singla, Hare Krishna to you. Shri Mayi, how are you? I hope you are doing fantastic. Please give my love to your family, to your children, everybody there in Kolkata. So we will be going to Dubai very soon. We have a Dubai tour in October this year, and also they would like for us to come to Janmashtami Manane. We're going back to Vrindavan, we're going back to India, we're going to ISKCON Dwarka, which is in New Delhi, and we will be coming to Qatar. So for those of you who are now sending in messages, Pinky Malhotra, Pinky Didi, Hamara Pranam, Aap Sabhi ko. Thank you so much for joining us live. And please do send in your questions. आप अपने प्रश्न भेज सकते हैं within the comments. Vikram Jeet, Hare Krishna आपको भी. Send in your questions so that I can answer your questions. Shraddhanand Mishra, Hare Krishna, Shraddhanand Ji to you as well. Rupesh Kumar Ji, we are coming to Qatar. We are coming to Qatar in August 28th, I believe is the dates. And when we'll be in Vrindavan, Girish Deshpande Ji, we are coming to Vrindavan. August 10th is the date of our flight to Vrindavan. So I cannot wait. Don't forget to send in your questions. Come to Vrindavan as well. I am Bishnupada from Ranaghat. I asked you, Prabhupada or Lord Krishna, please tell me. Bishnupada Mondal ji, aap dobara pura question likho, because I can only see some parts of your question. So Bishnupada Mondal, Dr. Mondal, please go ahead and dobara say write your question one more time. Alright, kyunki questions are going very fast on my laptop. See, I use this laptop. So I'm using this laptop to read all of your questions, and they're popping in super, super fast. So I have to, Durgesh Bhargava, Jai Shri Krishna, and Sangram Singh Suryavanshi, Radhe Radhe to you. And we have Seema Sheth, Hare Krishna to you. Thank you so much for joining live. So the question, Shifali Sagar Gupta would like to meet us in Delhi. हम आएंगे दिल्ली में, हमारा कीर्तन का फेस्टिवल है. We have our Kirtan festival in Delhi. I was born, some of you are asking, how I speak. So Hindi is not my language. I don't know a lot of Hindi, but I learned how to speak Hindi. So that is why I was born in America, and मुझे अमेरिका में मेरा जन्म होने के बाद मुझे भगवान कृष्ण के बारे में सिखाया, क्योंकि मेरा जन्म मंदिर में हुआ, इस्कॉन मंदिर में अमेरिका में, जहाँ पे ना कोई कृष्णा ना कोई राम को जानते हैं, पर हमारे परम गुरुदेव श्रील प्रभुपाद जी अमेरिका में आए थे 1965 में। और जब श्रील प्रभुपाद जी ने कृष्ण प्रेम और कृष्ण भक्ति विदेशी लोगों को बांटना और उनको सिखाने के लिए वो यहाँ पर आए, तो उस समय इस्कॉन मंदिर में सभी भक्तों ने बहुत अपना जीवन का जो मकसद था केवल ये भगवान की भक्ति और गीता का ज्ञान बांटने के लिए, उन्होंने बाहर जाकर प्रचार करना उन्होंने अपना मकसद बनाया। So yes, I was born in America, but I was born in yeah, you're asking about my, so the question has come in, tell us a little bit about your experience in your life. So my experience is that when I was a little girl, I was born at the ISKCON Chicago temple, and then my parents decided that they wanted us, my father is a doctor, मेरे पिताजी डॉक्टर थे शिकागो में, and उन्होंने वो हमें बड़े डॉक्टर बना सकते थे. He could have given us a great education in the material sphere, but उन्होंने सोचा कि अगर कोई इच्छा है तो केवल ये इच्छा है कि मेरे बच्चे भगवान के भक्त बने और भगवान के बारे में प्रचार करें. So बचपन से हमें सिखाया कैसे प्रभु का नाम, how we could take the names of God. And the lucky thing is हमें और कुछ आता नहीं था. We didn't know anything else other than chanting God's names. और जब आप भगवान का नाम लेते हैं, when I started chanting from age 4, 4 साल की आयु से हमने गुरुकुल में पढ़ाई शुरू किया. हमारे गुरुदेव जी वहाँ पे थे, उन्होंने हमें पढ़ाया लिखाया and गीता पे हमें पढ़ाया. So he taught us about Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, Ishopanishad, and nectar of instruction, nectar of devotion. All these things were taught to us in the Gurukul. So then we decided, फिर हम बड़े हो गए, जो लड़कियां जो कन्या होती है उनकी शादी भी होती है, उनका परिवार भी होता है, और सब कहते हैं कि संसारिक चीज वो सब झंझट में, मैं जब देखती हूँ बच्चों को जब बढ़ते हैं तो वो उसी चीजों में फंस जाते हैं. किन चीजों में? पढ़ाई में. They get when children, when you grow up, you get entangled basically in education, which is very important, don't get me wrong. So good to be educated, but then you try to make money and you have a good successful career or a happy family as a mother. All of these responsibilities, they hit you so much. And so for me, I realized after making an effort, I tried very hard. मैंने बहुत कोशिश की कि संसारिक जीवन में जीना, कैसे परिवार को चलाना, कैसे घर में सबको खुश रखना, and those different things. पर जब तक मैंने जो असली चीज को नहीं किया, until I didn't accept the duty, the reason that I'm here, the reason that you are here, the reason that each and every one of us are here is to give Krishna. Jare dekho, tare kaho, Krishna upadesh, amar agyay guru hoy, tare edesh. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given us this message, and he has told us that go and give Krishna. Take Krishna in your lives. और how can we accept Krishna within our lives? By chanting the names of the Lord. And not just chanting, we chant 108 rounds, 108 beads, but chanting 16 rounds with pure love. And that's what Krishna is telling us right here in Bhagavad Gita. So we have our questions coming. Even though I am alarmed, I can't wake up in the morning, could you please suggest how Premananda Behra, so the secret to chanting wonderful Harinam Japa is to chant with feeling, to chant with love, to chant with connection. It's not just that we have to complete our 16 rounds, but we want to chant with pure love, and then you will develop a taste. And my Gurudev used to tell us that because you make it a priority, it is the number one priority. There is nothing more important in this world to me than chanting the 16 rounds. I hope that helps you. Shruti Kulkarni has asked, when is Janmashtami? Janmashtami is on August 15th. 15 अगस्त को जन्माष्टमी है. So thank you so much. Karan Sood, बिल्कुल आप अपने प्रश्न कमेंट कर सकते हैं. और क्योंकि आज, kindly tell me the difference between God and Devta. So yanti deva pitra yanti pitravrita bhutani yanti. So Krishna tells us in Bhagavad Gita that जो व्यक्ति देवों की पूजा करते हैं वो देव के पास वापस जाते हैं, और जो ईश्वर की पूजा करते हैं वो ईश्वर के पास वापस जाते हैं. So basically the difference between the devas and the puja, just like Prime Minister Modi ji, अगर आप मोदी जी को मिलना चाहते हैं तो उनके पियान और उनके जो मिनिस्टर्स हैं, उनके अलग अलग जो डिपार्टमेंट हेड्स हैं, उनसे अगर आप मिलोगे तो आप मोदी जी से मिल सकते हैं. So that in that same way, the Lord, भगवान ईश्वर, परम ईश्वर ने अलग अलग देवी देवता को उनको अलग अलग सेवा दिया हुआ है for running this material universe. इस यूनिवर्स को आगे चलाने के लिए he has appointed, जैसे इंद्रदेव है, वायुदेव है, चंद्रदेव है, सूर्यदेव है, अग्नि, और ऐसे अलग अलग प्रकार के देव बने हुए हैं, और उन सभी देवों के अलग अलग duties. They have different duties. All right, so yes, we will come. I hope that helps you to answer your question. Sudesh ji, thank you so much. Don't forget to share. I want to ask that Dujap help me with some points related. So अगर आपको दो चीज़ें जब आप जप करते हैं उसमें, for those of you who want help in your japa, जब आप जप करते हैं तो then there's two things that you can remember. One is through following the process. जप करने में जो process है उसे आप, it's kind of like called sadhana. और जो चीज़ हम बार बार करते हैं, like when you have children and you want to teach them how to walk, उनको चलना जब हम करते हैं so उसको कहते हैं अभ्यास. It's called practice. By practicing how to walk, your child will learn how to walk. Isn't that true? So we practice the jap. अपने मन को बिठाकर every single day, सुबह के समय पे, you want to engage them in chanting the jap, all right? और फिर धीरे धीरे आपको भगवान के नाम के तरफ आपको, you become, so gradually you become attracted to the names of the Lord, and then you realize कि बिना भगवान के नाम जप किए I cannot live. All right, so I hope that's the last question. What is important in life, bhakti or earning? The question, okay, I'll take this one, last one. Sakshi Yadav is trying to, fantastic, concentrate. The mind को बंद करना पड़ता है, मन को बोलना पड़ता है कि आप थोड़ी देर के लिए शांत हो जाओ. All right, and we're going to take that last question. That last question is, what is more important, to earn a living or to do Krishna bhakti? So guess what? I'm going to tell you something. You can earn a living and do Krishna bhakti. तो आप जिनके लिए पैसे कमा रहे, who you are earning a living for, आप किन के लिए कमा रहे हैं पैसे? आप सोचते हैं ये मेरी पत्नी है, ये मेरे बच्चे हैं, ये मेरा घर है, मेरा परिवार है, सब कुछ मेरा मेरा मेरा, हम मैं करते हैं ना. So you think everything belongs to me. I am trying to take care of my family, my children, and this all belongs to, it's all mine, me, I, me, and mine. But as soon as you change the I, the me, and the mine to Krishna, कोशिश करे, you can think that ये जो परिवार है ये कृष्ण ने मुझे दिया है. God has given me this family. ये जो बच्चे मेरे हैं, these children I have, मुझे भगवान ने उनकी सेवा के लिए मुझे इतने सुंदर परिवार दिए, इतने सुंदर घर दिया, वो सभी उन्हीं की सेवा के लिए. He has given me all these different things for His service. And ऐसे अगर हम सोचेंगे तो हमारी जो जिंदगी है वो इतना खुश और सुंदर बन जाएगा. तो जब आप सोचते हैं कि कमाई करूं या भक्ति करूं, आपकी कमाई ही भक्ति है, आपकी कमाई ही उत्तम भक्ति है. So make your life as service. आप पूरा जीवन अपना ही सेवा, अपनी भक्ति बना सकते हैं. How to concentrate on japa. So Gauri Gupta has asked this question. Vishnu Dangal, Hare Krishna to you. Sujan Sheel, aapko bhi Hare Krishna. We're going to go ahead and just read your comments really quickly here. Edward Casino. Why did Krishna force Arjuna to kill the Kauravas when he refused? Because the greater cause was that the greater cause was that dharma becomes victorious. So the relatives of Arjuna were terrible. They were the bad guys. And so the good guys always have to prevail. Sometimes when you have to do something that externally seems like it's a bad thing, it's actually for the greater good. So Krishna asked Arjuna to fight because that was his duty. That was the purpose of his life. I hope that answers your question. Last question we've taken is how to concentrate on your japa, and then we will let you go. Please do share. Chirag Bhorania wonderfully said, Krishna is personally present everywhere. Avnish Gupta, we are coming to Mumbai. We will come to Mumbai very soon. And any miracles in life, Mithila Sohal, absolutely, hamare zindagi mein, we have received so many miracles, and that's why I'm here. This is the greatest miracle, that I'm here with all of you. All right? And Hare Krishna, ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਵਾਂਗੇ. ਸਾਡਾ ਕੀਰਤਨ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੇ ਜਨਮਾਸ਼ਟਮੀ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਖੰਨਾ ਤੇ ਮੰਡੀ ਗੋਬਿੰਦਗੜ੍ਹ ਤੇ ਲੁਧਿਆਣਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਕੀਰਤਨ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਲਦੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਵਾਂਗੇ. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਦਿਲ ਜੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਸਭੀ all of our friends from Punjab have the biggest heart, and I love coming there. So thank you so much. All right, let's see here. Hare Krishna. Krishna tried to max avoid. Yes, Rupesh Kumar, very true. Krishna tried to avoid the thing. Does appearance of dead relatives mean that their spirits are around you? Oh my goodness. All right. Ambala City, we have Rajinder Rana. Thank you so very much. Ambala se Rajendra ji, Hare Krishna aapko. So the question was how to concentrate on japa. तो भगवान का नाम लेते हैं, सबसे पहले जब आप बोलते हैं हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम Ram Rama Hare Hare. When you are chanting the names of God, then you want to chant them with full concentration. So that is like this: Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. So when you chant the name of God in full concentration, then the unlimited mercy of the Lord begins to shower upon you. So that is how you can concentrate. और भगवान का नाम लेते लेते उनसे प्रार्थना भी करें. You also want to pray to the Lord. कि मुझे शक्ति दो, give me the strength so that I can chant your holy names. So thank you all for joining us live. We will leave you all with a small bhajan about Krishna. So definitely do share. Srila Prabhupada has given us this wonderful Krishna conscious movement. And so Krishna consciousness, we still have so many. How to chant on japa and dhyan. सबसे पहले अपने मन को शांत करें. मेक अ संकल्प. अगर आपको जप पे ध्यान देना है, चैंटिंग पे ध्यान देना है, you want to make a sankalpa. Number 1, संकल्प means I will listen. मैं बड़े ध्यान पूर्वक भगवान का नाम लूंगी. I will chant the names with great attention. Number 2, neglect the mind. अपने मन को बताओ कि और किसी चीज पे ध्यान नहीं देना है अभी थोड़ी देर के लिए. You neglect the mind. It's like a loud truck. आपको आवाज आ रही है ना पीछे से. वो the air conditioner right now is on and the loud noise is coming. तो अपने मन में भी अलग अलग प्रकार के आवाज आएंगे, पर आपको मन को कहना है कि हे मेरे मन, थोड़ी देर के लिए आप शांत हो जाओ. And then आपको शरण में आना है. Number 3 is to take shelter. कि हे हरि नाम प्रभु, हे प्रभु, हे कृष्णा, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. Oh my dear Lord, you have come in the form of your holy names. In this age of Kali Yuga, there is no other way to achieve you, my Lord, than by chanting your names. Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama Kevalam. Kalau nastiva gatiranyatha. There is no other way to achieve you. I want to see you. मैं आपको मिलना चाहती हूँ हे प्रभु. केवल एक बार मुझसे आप क्या मिलोगे? तो ठाकुर जी कहते हैं जब आप हमें बुलाते हैं, when you are calling, of course I will come. So in that way, we chant the names of the Lord, and with that mood of calling in love and devotion. All right, so we want to let you guys go. Hare Krishna. And I just hope that you guys all have a fantastic day. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Krishna to all of you. Hare Krishna. Krishna, Krishna. Hare Hare. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So we had, today we had about, let's see here. We had about 700 viewers today. It was really, really wonderful. So they're asking, Nitin Aryal is asking, is Krishna a yogi or is he God? Krishna is God. And Pritish Ranjan is saying Hare Krishna to Pritish Ranjan. Kamlesh Yadav. Oh, we are still on live. So yes, absolutely. I'm going to have to let you guys go though. I know that you love to hear more and more about Krishna. Okay, we'll sing one bhajan since you've asked for one bhajan. Fantastic. Don't forget to share. Sapan Kumarji, please do share. And Nitin Aryal, Krishna is God. Hare Krishna to you.